What's good, with y'all niggas? We back with another video for the laws of power analysis series. Let's keep moving. Right now, we're gonna be talking about the law number 19, and it says, "Be careful of who you deal with. Who you be careful with who you hang around with or deal with." Now, listen, you gotta understand, especially those who are in high school and below. You don't know who you're dealing with. You know what I'm saying? Like 1 minute you're dissing the quiet kid, and then next thing you know, he's the CEO of the company that you want to work in. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. You gotta be careful. It's very important to know who you're dealing with. You never know the time when you were disrespecting a peasant. In this case, you're a student or colleague, or you know what I'm saying. You never know the time when you're disrespecting a peasant, then he soon becomes a powerful figure. We can forget a lot of things, but one thing that we humans never forget is insults that we received. So for this one reason only, you gotta be careful. You need to take as much time as needed to determine who the person is, because sometimes people are not even what doing deception on, as this wastes your time and energy. So it's like, of course, you gotta be worried. Like, does this guy work hard? Like if this guy is like on his grind, you know what I'm saying, he's on his grind and you're throwing insults, more likely he's gonna be a powerful figure and he's gonna come to you, if you come to him. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's very important for you to think about it, like like do does this quiet kid deserve this? Is why there's something called the golden rule in Christianity, where you do unto others what you want others to do unto you, so that we are equal with everyone. And then if you need help, you need help from them, they can help you out, because when they remember you, they don't remember you dissing them, they don't remember you bullying them, they just remember you being a nice friendly fellow, right? So remember, guys, don't bully people, bro. Like, don't do none of those bullshit, right? Just, you know what I'm saying? Just be neutral. Just be a neutral ground, right? Alright, so don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. Comment down below what you want niggas want next. Got a free ebook, The Blueprint to Success. If you want, you can comment down below the Blueprint to Success and your email, and I can send it to you free of charge. Free ebook free of charge. You know what I'm saying? Good training page to get you started in your grinding process. And yeah, holla back at your boy and never fucking stop grinding. Shit.